This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child Abduction Alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in the city and county of Denver. The Denver Police Department is searching for 11-month-old Riot Garner, last seen in the 5800 block of East 30th Avenue in Denver about 11:20 this morning. Riot is described as a white male 1 foot 6 inches tall, and weighing 25 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Investigators believe Riot may have been taken by Anwar Rhodes, described as a black male, 6 feet tall, weighing 180 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a gray Audi A4 with Colorado license plate ALWH70 that was last seen near the 5800 block of East 30th Avenue in Denver. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.